Okay guys, Motorcarnut here. Today's video I'm going to show you why you have to change your serpentine belt tensioner, or else you're looking at engine failure that'll destroy the total engine, which it did on this car. And I'm going to show you why and show you how to prevent that. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Favorite me, because my videos will help you save money and do the job right, and you can pat yourself on the back because you did it the correct way and save money. Now, let's assume, all right, this is the valve, this is the timing belt cover, okay? Timing belt is behind that. This is your serpentine belt that rides on that groove right here, all right, and there's your tensioner. Okay, now what happens is these tensioners fail and they twist, and what they do, they twist and they cock the belt and cause it to shred. Like this one is totally destroyed, and this is a brand new belt. The guy just put it on brand new. Okay, it looks like it shreds. Now, once it shreds, it builds up. It wraps around like this. It builds up, and now here's the timing belt back here, right? And this is plastic. You see, this is rubber. What it does, the serpentine belt gets in the back, and I'll show you. It gets in the back, like, okay. So here's the timing belt. Let me just, okay. Let me zoom this out a little. Now, let's say that cover was over here, right? That cover goes over here. Now, the serpentine shredded belt slips up. It goes in here, and what it's going to do is knock this belt out of alignment. And what it's going to do, it's going to get underneath the timing belt, and basically you're going to lose valve timing, and the valves are going to hit, the pistons are going to hit the valves and destroy the engine. All right. And actually that tensioner goes right here. There's that little plastic cover. All right, I see this a lot. This is big. You will see it on the internet. It's a big thing, and the reason why is because this tensioner fails. See, I don't know if you could see it. It's crooked. So basically, instead of being in line, yeah, that's hard to show you. Okay. Instead of being in line where it's supposed to be, it cocks to the side like that. The belt starts to shred. It goes in behind there into the timing belt, makes the timing belt jump and destroys the engine. I'd never seen this before, but this is the cover that goes right here. And you see this? This is rubber. I don't know why they don't make this steel, and make it tight where if it did jump off, it would just come, just go that way and stuff. It goes right underneath, and it'll blow the timing belt and the engine. Not the timing belt, the engine. And it's because of this. All right, you have to replace these. They say I would replace this every 50,000 miles. This car had about 100,000 on it. Never replaced it. What he did, the serpentine belt broke, the original one. He got lucky, it just broke. He puts the new one on. The new one broke, went under, like I just told you, went under the timing belt and destroyed the engine. The engine had to be rebuilt. All right? And to get to it, what you do is take the wheel off. There'll be a plastic shroud here. You just disconnect it, take it out of the way. Now it's going to expose the belt that goes on the power steering. Up there's the alternator and the crankshaft, and like I said, the timing belt tension, not timing belt, I'm sorry, serpentine belt tensioner is right in that area. So like I said, once you take this off, you'll see it right there. Just relieve the pressure, replace the belt, and replace the timing, the serpentine belt tensioner. All right, and if you have a car like this, and this is for any Volvo with a 2.5 turbo, any of those years that have this design motor is what that's going to happen. So if your car is running good, or if it's just running, you better change that. Don't wait. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.